Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I know, if I could just explain, y'all, I was taking 15 credit hours and I also have a job which I've been working like every day of the week. Well, not the weekend, but like 5 days a week for like a month and some change. And let me tell you, it's not easy. I just withdrew from a class last week though, so I have time now, and a hurricane's supposed to be coming any minute now, so I'm out of school. And if I'm out of school, I'm off work because I work through the school. But I really do apologize. I hate when people make excuses about why they haven't been posting and stuff like that, and I understand my excuses probably don't mean nothing to y'all, but really, like, I really have been trying. Like, it's just been a struggle. Anyways, I'm rambling. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. You guys haven't gotten a makeup tutorial from me in like ages. Like, it's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope beat to step 2. So it's been like a really long time since I recorded a makeup tutorial, so I was like, let me do that for y'all. This makeup tutorial, I don't know what to call it, but it's like, this is what I do when I'm going out to, like, I want to be seen. Like, I want to snatch somebody's man up. Like, your boyfriend, give him to me. So I think I'm gonna call it like I'll Take Your Man makeup tutorial or something. If you don't know what I'll Take Your Man is, it's a song by the City Girls. I can't play it because they're not gonna copyright your girl, but it is a bop. Honestly, it should be more popular because they speak nothing but facts in that song. If you want to take somebody man, you got to start off with primer because you don't want to look crusty. You don't want to be out here with your makeup breaking apart. So this is the primer that I use, and it's an illuminating primer, and I really like it, but I just wish they had like an illuminating but matte primer, like, because I'm so oily. See how it's like super like gold flecks, shiny. I look like I have highlighter all over my face. That's what this primer does to you, and it's really like when you're like out or like in pictures or anything, it just really makes you look good, but it's just not good for like wearing your makeup all day. So I feel like if you use this primer, use another one first. Like, use like a mattifying primer first. Okay, now onto foundation. I've been using the same foundation ever since I started this YouTube channel. Haven't changed. The Studio Fix Fluid by MAC. This is NW48. It's about to be that winter time. I'm about to have to change to NW47. And I have like super acne prone skin. We know this. Y'all have been here for a while. So like, for me, less is more. I try not to do a whole lot of foundation or concealer because, especially like my forehead, like, look at my forehead, y'all. Like, it's ridiculous. It looks like I just eat Snicker bars for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, like, and drink Sprites all day. Like, it's really bad. And I don't know what to do about that. So this is like crucial to me because I feel like the way you apply this, it really changes things. So first of all, concealers that are too light, don't do it. Like, just don't do it. Like, it should be like 1 to 2 shades lighter, like not 6 to 7 shades lighter. Like, sis, no. But I just kind of do like a little, well, that looks like a lot, but that's like, I'm not putting my brush back in that. That's like as much as going right there. And then a little on the, and the reason I don't like spread it is because that's how you have like concealer all the way up here, and that just looks ridiculous. Like, it really looks stupid. So you just want to focus on there because it's gonna spread. You have to blend it. And then some on my chin. I also have lash extensions. Hello, hi, do you guys see them? It took 4 hours for me to get them done. Like, so I really want to get them done again, but I just don't know if I can sit that long. Like, my butt was hurting so bad. Another thing I do now, I don't let my concealer sit. I just don't have a need to, like, I don't even know what the purpose of that was in the first place. I guess it was to have your makeup be more long lasting, but no, like, that's no, like, because it gets stiff and then it's hard to blend, and then it just, to me, it looks more cakey, and I like my makeup to be more seamless, so I just go ahead and blend right away. But I blend the eyes last, so I guess that is kind of letting it sit, but I don't, like, I used to start doing other stuff while this was on my face, like, no, thank you. And then once I'm done with that, I go like with the bottom and just get the edges. Because personally, when I go out, I just like, I record a lot of snaps and it's dark and the flash is gonna be on. Okay, baking, this is important. A lot of people just slap the powder on their face, and I just feel like that's not good, especially if you have like acne prone skin like me, because there's a lot of stuff in the way. It's a lot of road bumps and stuff to have to brush over. So I try to apply as evenly and as intentional as possible. Just know I never play with smoke, baby. Please believe me, cause you're looking easy. Okay, so I have this dilemma every day. I don't know if I would like to let my powder bake or dust it away immediately, but I feel like today is like a dust it away immediately type of day. So that's what I'm finna do. This is like my favorite contour brush. I don't know. It's like, I go through phases where I like won't use it for a while, but oh, and I didn't say what powder I use. Or okay, so the powder I used to bake was Airspun powder. The powder I used to dust away the bake was Black Radiance, and I think those are all the products I used. Oh, and LA Girl Pro Conceal. That's also far, just in case I didn't say that. And I'm contouring with my True Complexion. Almost out. Definitely hit pan, but whatever. Okay, this highlighter is the one I've been using for over a year now. Honestly, I keep makeup for so long. Like, I keep it for so long. It's called the Dual Finisher Highlighter by Lancome in Luminous Gold. And then after I do that, I kind of just go back under with my contour brush just to make sure my chin isn't too light. Okay, now we set, and I set with a matte spray obviously because I just said that my skin is oily, so yeah. And this is the Wet n Wild matte spray. And then what I have been finding to help is after that I like go with my sponge. And now we're gonna go to the eyes, y'all. What we've all been waiting for. This is what really elevates the look, honestly. Like, all this face stuff doesn't matter. It's the eyes. I'm gonna actually probably cut the brows out, but one thing I did change about my brow routine, which I might record like another brow video, but I feel like there's enough brow videos on the internet. But I use a brow gel actually now, and it has done wonders for my eyebrows. So if you have like, if you're kind of at like a standstill with your eyebrows, try to use a brow gel or like something like that, and it'll like change things. I'm telling you. Brows are done. They're like a little intense. Like, I'm not feeling them. So we're gonna move on. So now I'm gonna prime my eyelids with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Actually, I already have some in the back of my hand, so I'm just gonna utilize the rest of that. So this is like my go-to look, and I feel like I probably recorded it on this channel before. I don't know though. So I'm gonna go into my Desert Dusk palette, and I'm gonna use the color Amber, and I'm just gonna use that as a crease color. And this is like a 3-color look. Okay, so definitely need to get into this because anybody can do it. Okay, then I take like another brush and I just, ew, it's kind of nasty looking. I just take like a darker color. It doesn't really have to be out of the Desert Dusk palette, but actually it's not gonna be out of the Desert Dusk palette because I want something like really intense and dark. So I'm gonna take Abby out of the Saharan Blush Volume 1. This is probably like a cheek palette, but who uses things for what they're supposed to be used for? I've never used any of these colors on my cheeks. And I'm just gonna put that into like my outer corner, and if you want to do a halo, I just put it on the inner part. It's not that different. And I kind of sweep it in. Now I'm gonna go back into that Saharan palette, and honestly I have a preference when it comes to this part. This is the lid color, and I really love the pigment of that one. Like, it is so buttery, like it's unbelievable. Sometimes I use my fingers, sometimes I try to use a brush. I'm gonna try to use a brush today. Like, oh my gosh, look at all of that on the brush. I mean, I just washed this brush, so it's kind of damp, but like, it's crazy. I'll just take like one of the two blending brushes I use, probably the one with the darker color, and just kind of like blend around it, just to make sure it's nice and buffed out and blended and everything. And I try to make sure the eyes look the same. Like, you see how this one is like more intense than that one, so I just need to go back in. Okay, now I feel like the under eye is like some of the most important parts. So you just want to blend the darkest color like up under there, and it makes the hugest difference in eye shape. And there's like a weird separation right there after you do your eyeshadow, so this just kind of like blends that out. I'll just put on like some mascara under my eyes. I don't put mascara on my lash extensions because I just never had them before, so I'm kind of scared. And to keep there from being like a lot of mascara transfer, I just take the brush that I just blended with and kind of like take some of the product off. Okay, so for the last thing for the eyes that I'm gonna do is take this white eyeliner and just put that in my bottom waterline, and really like make sure you can see it. Like, y'all, I look like a little Barbie doll eyed girl. And then I just take like some brown lipstick. This is probably from like Dollar General or something, and I just put that around the edge as like a lip liner, and I get a little gloss, a little lip gloss, and put that in the middle. Like so. Okay, let me just like change my shirt and do my hair, and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is the finished look. We are ready to go take somebody's man. Okay, remember, if you get beat up, that is not on me. Like this is your decision. If you out here stealing people boyfriends, that's on you. If you get beat up, I don't have anything to do with that. But yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know my makeup tutorials don't get much love, but some people do watch them, so thank you to those people that do. Girl, I forgot the brow bone highlight, y'all, in the inner corner. Hold on, wait a minute, this tutorial is not over. Sis, don't leave the house without your brow bone and your inner corner highlight. Like, what in the world? I almost led y'all astray. Now it's a look. Okay, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to have more content for y'all soon. Let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh, that's your man. I'll take your man.